A single truth social post from Donald Trump declaring a big Iran deal exploded across social media, millions of views, market swings, instant virality. Meanwhile, Barack Obama's warning on democratic erosion barely registered. One message was built for dopamine, a dramatic reversal, bold claims, engineered interruption. The other demanded patience, nuance, history, the kind of truth that requires you to stop scrolling and start thinking. The algorithm does not favor the important, it favors the interruptive. And the audience reaction showed exactly who profits from that difference, and what a democracy loses when its citizens are trained to only look at what moves.